Hello, I'm Boasman Patel, the Vice President of Innovation at TM Forum.
Hello, I'm Ishari Siriwardane, General Manager, Digital Transformation Projects, Sri Lanka Telecom.
Ishari, it's so fantastic to have you with us.
Yes, Aaron, it's nice to be back at the Glass Box.
Absolutely, and we're delighted to have you here. Can you tell me a little bit more about your Catalyst project you've been working on?
Yes. So this is the phase 2 of our Smart Highway X3 project, where we won the award during phase 1 at Copenhagen for the best moonshot catalyst project under the Growth Challenge. So what we did was in phase 1, we were looking at a 20% revenue growth for the CSPs through ecosystem play. And the actual use case which we had was for Colombo Port City, an ODA-compliant AI-enabled platform. That's what we did for phase 1. And we brought in three partners, ecosystem partners from education sector and healthcare sector. And in phase 2, what we're trying to do is, what we did was actually, we looked at the AI component, AI enablement. And so it's like an AI everywhere platform. We looked at a specific AI architecture, which is an extension of the ODA compliant platform that we did. And we also brought in additional partners, which actually strengthened the ecosystem play for us, where we had Sparkle Haze working on the tourism sector, and then we had Artilus working on the healthcare sector, and Inocta also came to the second phase with their AI capabilities. So all of these players who we brought as ecosystem partners, they also had AI capabilities, and it was a truly fascinating engagement with all of the partners, the solution providers, the vertical champions, as well as the CSPs.
Now that's really wonderful, and that's what Catalyst is all about, bringing people together. So why do you do Catalyst? What's the benefits of doing it?
Yeah, so I think one of the key things is that the collaboration that you have to solve the real-life telco problems that we have. In our case, in this particular Catalyst, we were looking at, because 5G investments are nearby for us. Next year, we probably would be getting licenses. So when we deploy a 5G network, how do you really monetize it? How do you bring in use cases in a cost-effective manner so that you can earn revenues out of it? So this was the challenge for us. So I think in every Catalyst, what you try to do is you try to solve a problem which is specific to a particular telco, but then certain other telcos also get together so that they also have similar issues, problems, which they can collaborate with each other and solve the problems. So bringing those partners together, collaborate it, and have it, run the program over a very short period of time where you quickly innovate and come up with an innovative solution which can help solve problems for the telco. So that's the most beautiful thing about Catalyst, and also the engagement with all of the ecosystem partners. I really love it because we have made a lot of friends and long-term business, as well as relationships. Because last week we had our TM Forum event in Sri Lanka, where George Glass came to Sri Lanka, and Covalence, who was our Catalyst partner, they were a technology partner for us. So it was an amazing opportunity to link back again, network with each other, and have a lasting relationship with all of the partners.
Absolutely, like building and forging those relationships. What's your big takeaway from this Catalyst cycle? What's the big learning that you've got?
Yeah, it's about collaboration, working as a team, because we had new partners coming in, all worked as a team. The team effort that we had, the team collaborations, everybody bringing their own perspectives, synergies together, and putting their heart and soul out of it. That's what we really enjoy working as a team in this project, and that had created a lasting impression among all of us in our Catalyst project. So that's the most beautiful thing, actually.
And what would you like to see happen next with this project?
We're looking for a phase 3 because all of the partners are really looking forward for a phase 3. So we were looking at, I don't know, it'll also have to depend on the tracks or the themes that you're going to bring up in Copenhagen. But Seshan from Covalence, he was talking about, let's look at the people aspect of it. Because technological solution, you can always build. One of the biggest challenges that we have, and as the head of digital transformation, running the digital transformation program in Sri Lanka Telecom, one of the biggest challenges that we face is the people aspect. How do you change the culture? How do you get people to think differently, work differently? So if we have that type of a theme where we can align ourselves, we'd be definitely going for phase 3 for Copenhagen 2025 to see whether we can look at how we can operationalize this whole project in a more meaningful manner, where we can change the way people work.
Well, I look forward to seeing you there in DTW25, and hopefully back in the glass box to see how that phase 3 has changed.
I look forward for this as well. Yeah.
Ishari, thank you very much.
Thank you, Aaron. Thank you. It was nice talking to you.